Cobb. I am a Dyson expert, and I'm so excited because I am going to share with you QVC's best-selling Dyson stick vacuum. This is the V8 Extra. It's detangling, it's cord-free, it's everything you're going to love, and it has been so popular because this is an incredible sale price. So this is item V46794. We have one color left, so it's this beautiful red. And what you're going to get is your V8 vacuum with the motor bar cleaner head, which has our latest detangling technology. So if you have pets or long hair like I do, you don't have to worry about it getting tangled around the brush roll. And then you're also getting 8 tools with this. Normally you would only get 3, but we always do something extra for all of our QVC friends. So we're giving you an additional 5. If you were to purchase this pack up separately, you would be paying over $600. It would be $607.94. And today, we have it for you on sale for less than $300, $299.98. So an incredible savings, over $300, and you can take advantage of Easy Pay. For 5 easy payments of $60, you can get this home, and as long as you make your minimum monthly payments and you pay that off, actually, never mind, was going into the credit card, but it's just a great opportunity to get Dyson home and try it. We have sold over 2.3 million Dysons at QVC, and this one is lightweight, less than 6 pounds. I can use it on carpet and bare floor. And if you look right here, I have a lot of pet hair right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle that for you because I want you to see how powerful this is. While it is lightweight and less than 6 pounds, it has the power to deep clean all of the surfaces in your home. You can move right from the carpet to the bare floor, and I can pick up all of this mess as well. And what I love is it doesn't scatter it, it doesn't snow plow it. It actually dusts your bare floor as you're vacuuming. So I'm going to come up close and show you this cleaner head because I just cleaned all of that hair, and look how clean it is. Not one hair is tangled around. So it's lightweight, it's powerful. You're getting up to 40 minutes of runtime, which means you're going to be able to do tons of vacuuming. It also has our whole machine filtration, which means it's going to capture the allergens, the dirt, and the dust up to 99.97% and really help you get your home nice and clean. You're going to love the versatility. Look at how I can get under this table. So without having to take time to stop and move the table or move the bed, you're going to be able to just go right under it because this lays almost completely flat. Less than 6 pounds, like I said, means that you're going to be able to lift this and do cleaning up high. So I just took the cleaner head off, and now we're going to look at some of the tools that we're getting. This is the up top adapter. This one allows you to bend and articulate to get the perfect angle for cleaning up high or down low. And I'm putting on the soft dusting brush with it. So again, now I can lift this over my head because it is so light. I can keep my feet safely planted on the ground. I don't have to climb up on a chair or get out a step stool. If I wanted to dust, the tops of my ceiling fan blades or the tops of my kitchen cabinets. If I want to do my baseboards and dust down low, I can do that as well. So this is really, really versatile. And then by taking the stick off, you just push the red button. Now you also have a handheld vacuum. So not only are you investing in a vacuum that can do all of the floor surfaces in your home, clean up high, clean down low, it's also going to tackle the in-between spaces, like your stairs, like you're seeing there. And when it's in this handheld mode, it weighs only about 4 pounds. Now, I just put the hair screw tool on the end, and this is a really cool tool because it also has a motor in the attachment, and it also has detangling technology. So when I come to the couch here, you can see the hair that I have, it picks it up effortlessly. And again, I don't have to worry about it getting tangled. I can clean the pillows. I can freshen up, before the company comes over because I have 2 dogs and 2 cats and they shed everywhere. So this is a game changer and it really makes it easy to stay on top of all of my cleaning. And then to put it back together, you're just clicking it into place. So everything lines up, you'll hear it click, and I'll put the cleaner head back on. And that's it. So that's your assembly too. When you get this home, it's really quick, really easy. You are going to want to charge up the battery, and that'll take about 3.5 hours. So get it fully charged before you use it. But then after that, whenever you're not using your Dyson V8 Extra, leave it plugged in. You can't overcharge this battery. And then remember, you're getting up to 40 minutes of runtime. So this is incredible. It's a great sale price. I encourage everybody to take advantage of this because it's not often that I get to present something under $300 as a Dyson employee. So this is really exciting. And you're getting our latest detangling technology. So you're seeing it there. Really a great way to stay on top of your cleaning. And it will change the way you clean because you're not going to have to let the messes build up all week long. When you see the mess, you're going to grab it, you're going to take it to where the messes are and clean them up right away. This has our root cyclonic technology, which means no loss of suction. So even when that bin gets full, you are going to be able to still pick up, still have that incredible suction power. And you're looking at the motor bar cleaner head. So those nylon bristles drive deep down into the carpet and lift away anything that has settled. And then the black bristles have an anti-static property. So great for your hard floor surfaces. They will really dust your floor as you're vacuuming. And then you're seeing our crevice tool. So many tools in this pack up. As I said at the beginning, normally you would only get 3 tools. You would get your combination tool, your crevice tool, which is the one that you want to use for getting in between the couch cushions. And then you would get that hair screw tool that I showed you with the detangling technology. But we're giving you 5 extra tools. And let me tell you, you will use these whether you're cleaning the car, whether you want to, I'm going to put some of these tools on actually so you can see. This extension hose, imagine now you're out at the car and you want to do a little dusting of the dashboard, but this vacuum wouldn't necessarily let you get right up to the edge. Well, now with this hose, you're going to be able to move this tool along your whole dashboard. You're going to be able to dust the screen in your car or your keyboard. It's really, really a great tool. And then you also have the mattress and fabric tool. So if you're at home and you're thinking, gosh, I don't really know how to clean the curtains. I don't really have the right tool. You run this along your curtains, all of the dust comes off. They look refreshed. It's just such a great way to really help with your spring cleaning. Blinds, you're going to be able to use these tools. This one is the stubborn dirt brush. If you have pets and they're coming in and out and they're dragging in, stuff from the garden, the mud, the grass clippings, use this on your floor mat. Use this in the car. This has some scrubbing power, so it really helps to agitate the dirt and dust. So truly a tool for every single job on your list. But the real reason this has been our best-selling vacuum here at QVC is because it just makes cleaning easy. We all have to clean. And so when you have the right tools, it's not such a chore. You're going to grab this. It's less than 6 pounds, so it's really light. If you're still vacuuming with a vacuum that's 15 or 17 or 20 pounds, when you get this home, that's the first thing you're going to love is that how easy it is to maneuver. It has that same pivot and ball steering like you see on our big Dyson ball animal vacuums because it has that little ball down here. So it makes it really easy to maneuver. And as I said before, you can go from the carpet to the hard floor without adjusting anything. So you're not having to turn knobs or push buttons. You're just going to do your cleaning. And then let me show you how to empty the bin, and then we'll talk about the filtration because that's really important as well. When you do need to empty the bin, there's a little red lever at the top. You just lift that up and you can see how everything fell out of the bin and went right into the trash can. So I don't have to ever touch any of the dirt and dust. I don't have to reach up into that bin. And I love that there is no cost of ownership because I'm not having to buy a bag. And I'm able to see everything that I'm collecting. This also has the whole machine filtration. So what's great about this is there are 2 lifetime washable filters on this vacuum, one on the back and one in the middle there. They capture 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. And take a look at this. The vacuum on the top does not have the whole machine filtration. So as I'm vacuuming and collecting the dirt and dust, look at how it's blowing out the exhaust of the vacuum. That just creates a vicious cleaning cycle. Whereas the V8 Extra on the bottom, that air coming out was clean because it's being captured in these filters. So about once a month, all you do is rinse them under the sink, let them dry completely, at least 24 hours, and you pop them back on your machine. So no cost of ownership once you do get this home. So this is a great one to try, especially if you have never tried Dyson. Dyson's the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums, which is what this configuration is. And this is our best selling model here at QVC. We have over 4,000 5-star reviews on this one. So take a look at some of those reviews. And really, you'll see that this is so versatile. You're really investing in a vacuum that's going to allow you to clean your home, but also go to areas like the car and the pet beds. And it has the detangling technology. So you don't have to worry if you have long hair or have pets. This is not going to get tangled up and be, something that's difficult for you to maintain. It's just simple, easy, light, and it really does make cleaning fun because you're going to stay on top of it and you're going to have such a beautifully clean home. That's a great look at the hair screw tool with our detangling technology. And, again, this is for floors, but this is also truly floor to ceiling cleaning. So whether it's about getting under furniture, think about a big, bulky vacuum. You wouldn't be able to get under the table. But with this, because it lays so flat, I don't even have to take time to stop and move that table. Maybe it's getting under your bed or under your dresser that, they're big, heavy pieces of furniture that you don't want to move. Um, and then let's look at the detangling technology again, because I have some hair here that you can see. And I want to show you because this was actually a request from you guys. Our older technology did not have the detangling technology. And what would happen is you'd vacuum and then you'd have to clean your vacuum and cut the hair off the brush roll. But take a look. So what you're seeing is the black bristles are the carbon fiber ones that dust your floor, and the red are the nylons that drive deep down into the carpet. So no hair, just powerful cleaning. And then remember, we can take the cleaner head off by pushing the red quick release button. That allows us to do overhead cleaning if we want. At less than 6 pounds, I mean, think about that. A gallon of milk weighs 8 pounds. So if you can lift a gallon of milk, you can lift this up and you'll now be able to clean overhead without getting the step stool, without getting the ladder, without climbing on the chair. Your feet are going to be safely planted on the ground. And with this tool, you change the angle so that you're cleaning at the perfect angle. If you want to dust down low, instead of crawling on your hands and knees to do the baseboards, this is a really quick and easy way to do that. And then remember, this same vacuum converts to a handheld vacuum. Every home needs a handheld vacuum. So remember, today we are giving you an exceptional sale price. It's incredible because if you were to purchase this pack up, you would be paying over $600. It would be $607.94. Because remember, we're giving you not only the V8 Extra that's $469 by itself, we're giving you those 5 additional tools. So today we're saving you over $300. You can get this home for $299.98, or take advantage of the easy payments, because if you want to get it home for $60, you can do that as well. And then it's a great way to try Dyson technology, make sure it's worked for you exactly as we're saying it. But I can tell you that you're going to love it because it is going to make cleaning easy, and it's going to give you a lot of time back because it's going to be quick. You're going to stay on top of the messes, on top of the cleaning. And you only have there's one color left. It's red, which is beautiful. I'm going to put this on so you can see it. And it's just really the stick that's the red part, but it just really, to me, looks Dyson. So this is the one that has been our best selling vacuum. This is the one that has over 4,000 5-star reviews. And we have never offered this bundle at this low of a price. So I'm telling you, get it while we have it, because this is the one that everybody loves. This is the V8 Extra, and it's called the Extra because you're getting those 5 additional tools. But you're getting the root cyclonic technology that Dyson is so known for. You're getting our latest detangling technology, which means you don't have to worry about the hair wrapping around the brush roll and getting tangled. You're getting our V8 power. So this is going to deep clean all of the surfaces in your home, whether it's carpet or hard floor. There are those cyclones that are generating that powerful suction. And you're getting our whole machine filtration, which truly helps keep your home nice and clean, because it's not just collecting, it's trapping the dirt, the dust, and the allergens in these 2 lifetime washable filters. So no cost of ownership once you get it home. But this is the one you want to try because this is the one that everybody loves. It is our most popular model here at QVC. Let's go through all of the tools that you're getting because there are a lot in this pack up. So you're getting your crevice tool. which is the nice long, gives you that nice